In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Loom video comments. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your Loom application. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and do that. Just enter your credentials and log into your Loom account. Once you're in, take a moment to gather your thoughts about the video you want to adjust. Now, you'll want to navigate to the specific video where you want to turn off comments. You can usually find it in your library or dashboard. Just scroll through your videos until you find the one you're looking for. It might be a good idea to click on the video title to open it up so that we can access the settings. Once your video is open, look over to the right side of your screen. You should see a few options, and one of them is labeled Settings. Click on that. This will take you deeper into the configuration options for your video. Now, after you click on the Settings button, you should see a few different tabs or sections that you can explore. Look for one that says Audience. This tab is important because it controls what your viewers can see and interact with when they view your video. Inside the Audience tab, there are several settings regarding comments and email notifications. Your goal here is to find the section labeled Comments. Once you locate it, you'll notice there's a toggle or checkbox that allows you to enable or disable comments. You want to click or toggle the Comments option to the OFF position. By turning off this option, the comment field will no longer appear below your video for viewers. This means your audience won't be able to comment on the video going forward, which can make your content feel a bit cleaner if that's what you're aiming for. After you've made this adjustment, you can save your changes if required. In Loom, some updates are saved automatically, but it's always a good idea to double-check just to ensure everything is in order. Once you've turned off comments, you can return to your video and review it. Check that it's set up how you want it to be. Feel free to watch it as a viewer would, without the added distraction of comments. So why might you want to turn off comments? Well, for some people, it could be about maintaining a focused presentation, or avoiding unwanted negative feedback. For others, it might just be about keeping things streamlined and professional. Whatever your reason, Loom gives you that flexibility. And there you have it. Turning off comments on your Loom videos is a straightforward process that can really help tailor the viewing experience. Once again, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this process, so feel free to leave a comment. Oh wait, never mind. Just kidding. Since we turned off the comments, you can always reach out to us through other means, or catch our next video for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check back for more tutorials, and happy looming!